welcome back to Home Decor 101, your little corner of YouTube for all things stylish and beautiful in the home. Today, let's jump into a home decor quickie. So if your dream vacation involves palm trees, ocean breezes, and fruity drinks, why not bring that vibe into your home? Today we're talking about tropical home decor, how to create a breezy, vibrant, vacation-inspired space right where you live. Tropical decor is all about easy living and natural beauty. So think lush greenery, bamboo or rattan furniture, breezy white curtains, and pops of bold color, like teal, coral, or sunny yellow. It's like giving your space a mini getaway. Want to start small? Add a few indoor plants like monstera, palm, or birds of paradise. Not only do they add texture, but they purify the air and instantly make a room feel alive. Now, if growing plants is just not your thing, trust me, I get it, it's not mine. Look for or opt for a really good faux plant that will still give you that same look without the risk of it dying. Also, don't forget scent. A coconut or citrus candle brings the whole vibe together. For furniture, look for natural textures, wicker chairs, jute rugs, or a reclaimed wood coffee table. You can even swap your throw pillows for leafy prints or tropical florals. So if you're craving that laid-back island-inspired feel, tropical decor is the perfect way to bring summer inside all year long. Let me know in the comments, would you go full beach bungalow or just add a few island accents here or there? Thanks for hanging out with me during this little quickie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description box for my favorite tropical finds. Until next time, keep your space as cool as a sea breeze. See y'all soon!